Come to be first to copy. So in the last video, we were copying everything and trying to edit our theme using AI model like Gemini. So the same thing I'm going to do today. As you can see, the last time I was using the Gemini Pro, I have taken the subscription for 1 month. It's trial. So I wanted to know that if I can fix that or not. Okay. So the Blogspot is from Google. So I believe Gemini is the best option for that, and that's why I'm using Gemini for it. But I'm not sure that ChatGPT can give me better result or not. So I'm going to first download this one. Okay, let me download this so that anything wrong happens, I can have backup to have it. So I have backup for myself. Now let's go. So I'm using Gemini. I'm gonna just paste all the code. Okay, then I will say that improve this blogspot theme, make it SEO friendly, responsive, mobile friendly, and follow all guidelines from SEO, responsive design, and for disabled people, and make sure it is fast and good design. So I have written all the thing whatever I wanted. Okay, now question is that it gonna solve my issue or not, because the last time a couple of times I tried, it always makes some mistakes. If you don't know the coding at all, you don't know anything about making blogspot theme, then you will face a lot of trouble. And I thought that they can fix that issue with that, but it is really hard. Sometimes I think that making a WordPress template is much easier than making a blogspot theme. I just want it's a static websites. It's really easy. So you see, I have this around 5 posts. Okay, you have already seen the design. This one, I really like the design. It's simple and looks well. So I really like that. That's why I have backup. If something goes wrong, I can just come back and use that thing. Okay. So as you can see here, it's saying that how to do that. Okay. I hope it write all the code. Okay. So as you can see that it's writing the code. It will take few seconds. It will complete. And one more thing I will tell you that whatever code you see here, it doesn't mean that it will solve all your problems, because I thought that with AI help, I can just create lots of blocks for template and I can make a website where I can just design it and do that. I make a website from website themes for Blogspot and I can earn through AdSense. I thought that I would do it, but all the idea go away when I realized that it makes mistakes. Without knowledge, it's not easy to do. Yeah, I can just go for static websites, but I don't want to talk about that. Just see here what it's doing. So it's writing the code and it's quite great, I won't lie that, but always make some mistakes. Even it's a pro model, you can see that I'm using 2.5 pro, but until now I have only used the Google Gemini and DeepSeek and Quen. It's a Chinese, I believe, AI tool. So but in these three I tried, and it always make mistakes. I did not use ChatGPT, but today I'm gonna use that. Okay, and also I did not use Cloudy. Cloud is really famous for coding, but I didn't use. But I'm not sure that it's gonna really make that blogspot template. Let's try out. Okay, and ChatGPT, I need to log in it. Let's go with Google. So I'm gonna do the same thing here. I will just you know wait a minute. So it's doing that. Okay, just to go up. Here I just copy all of that. Okay, the same thing I will ask to ChatGPT, enter, and same thing to Cloudy. Let's see what result I'm getting it. I just hope that in these three models one of them can fix the issue, and at least create a template way that can directly I can use it without any effort. And I've given that already that every code so that they can take example from it and just make few changes, and that's all I asked to do. So here it's saying that it was too long. Okay, so directly I can't use it in ChatGPT, but in Cloudy I can directly do that, and also in Gemini I can do that. So I believe that I need to put little bit code and understand and say that what I really want. I believe that's gonna work. But for right now, just focus here. I believe my code should be written till now. Okay, it's a really big message. Okay, so here the XML files. As you can see that it almost complete, but still writing. I believe it's a really big one. Okay, so let's go for Cloudy, and you see that here is writing the CSS. It will take some time, and I believe it will complete. But also there's a limit of some context, so I have to continue, and that's what I believe that will happen. I thought that I can use AI tools and they can do everything for me, but I was wrong about it. Even using AI tools sometimes it feels like that you are putting too much effort to just do something that you can do it really fast and easily. The person who knows something, like if you know how to make a template, Blogspot template, then it's gonna make your job really simple. But you don't know anything about it, then using this tool you can create the template. I will not lie, you can, but you need to use a lot of time of yours, and that's the thing. That's why people are saying that the AI models won't replace your jobs. The people who knows the AI models will replace your jobs, and that's what I realized after using for a couple of days. But for some things like getting images, they are really good. So even the person who doesn't know anything, they can create. Like you can use Gemini's this model, a video VEO. Okay, with that you can able to make good videos. Like for ads, you can easily create it. If you don't know anything about it, you can do quite a great thing. As you can see, as I told you that I have to click continue and gonna write it again. And so again here it's stop here. I believe it's writing somewhere. It's writing the code here. So it's really big file. Okay, I'll just wait for few more seconds and see what happens. So as I told you that if you want to use ChatGPT, you can't do this. So there's one thing we can do. For example, let's say you know I can just say that like what I need here. I need that, as you can see here, I need a older portion home option. I want same thing in a home page. Okay, so when I go to the home page, okay, so as you can see that I'm not getting that option, so I want that. So if I tell AI to like here what to do about it, then it gonna give me idea how to do it. So that's the thing can be done. But beforehand I want to check this template that is created by. I want to see that it's gonna really work, or I need to edit something. So as you can see here, it's writing the CSS again. I believe it's for comment. So you can see that it taking a lot of time just to write one. So I would advise you that don't go for it. Just make a simple template from scratch, or use old one. Like there's a lot of templates available here. So whatever you want, you just specifically ask about it and put the theme names. So it would have a data. It will help you to optimize it much better. If not, then create a website template from scratch, and then add function using ChatGPT, Gemini, and whatever tool available for you. You can use that. So as you can see here, I believe it's complete. Okay, let me see it's complete or not. As you can see that nothing happened. It's no, it's not complete. So I will just click retry. Okay, I'm not sure that it's gonna fix the issue because continue. Okay, just write continue. Con. Okay, I don't know the spelling of continue. Okay, continue. Okay, continue. Just click. So it's starting again, I believe. Okay, that's not what I hoped for. That's the thing I really hate about it because I don't realize that I'm making mistakes. It's giving a lot of information to how to optimize your site. As you can see that what to do about it, how to do it, everything. And it's a good thing that it's saying here. So it's good. Okay. Uh, just come here in Germany. Okay. Still is writing the code. So it would take some time. Even then, I'm not sure it's gonna work because there are a lot of mistakes. That's what I seen beforehand. But here it's saying a lot of things like complete about these things, set up search console, sitemap, quality post, all that thing it's saying. It's gonna help you that how you want to do all these things. So it's better. But what I really want is a template itself. But I'm not getting that. Rather than it's giving me how to add these functionalities. It's also a good way. And you should just take this way rather than putting everything just make it from the scratch and then add functionality. In that way, you understand how it works. Yeah, you will make mistakes. I won't lie, you will. But this is the best and easiest way I think of it. Because if you go like a whole thing done by AI model, then it will make a lot of mistakes. And I don't think that even you get the code it's gonna be right, because I tried many times and I always get something lacking, some problems was code. It was not taking it here. When we come here, we paste it here and try to save. Let me show you here. When we try to paste here and save it, it never gonna update because they said there's some something's error. And no matter how much you try, if you don't know about anything about Blogspot template, how to fix it, you always get some error. You will try here again and again, but the same result you will got. As you can see, I'm not sure that it's doing something or not. I'm just saying like this. So I'm confused. And this kind of problem you face many times when you are trying to do every single thing using AI tool. So better way to use it is that just add few simple things. If you have any problem, ask it and then go for it. Okay. Now just I will leave that. I believe it won't complete. It stopped already. So now see the problem. What problem I have? Now my first problem is that as you can see here, it's not coming. So it's CSS problem. I can fix it. So that's not the issue. The main issue is that I want to add option, navigation option in the home page. So I'll ask here. Just let me remove all that. I want to add um, page nav on my home page of Blogspot theme. How to do that? Okay, I believe I can't use it because already it's in use, but I don't think the writing the code. So I will just use it in a chat GPT. Come here and just ask it here. And as you can see here, it's given a lot of things. You see, I already reached the limit. I only tried for 4 times, I believe, 4 or 3 times, and I already reached the limit. So you can't use a cloudy, just find another one if you want to use a freely. So here you see that it is like a like advanced feature for blogger themes. Copy and paste this in your theme. Okay, but it did not say where. So I believe it's uh, like a list for something. Don't get it. Okay, yeah, I know what is it. Okay, now the second thing is a reading time indicator. Okay, and the third is like auto generated from H to H3. So I will just not use that. Just cut this one. Now as you can see here, as I'm using ChatGPT, what's saying that go to pages, add a widget. Okay, option two, it's a navigation bar. Okay, header nav, the color. Bonus if you want to drop down menus like this. Okay, I believe I didn't write in a way which they can understand. I want it from here. So what is called? I need to understand first. So I want page nav. Okay, so that is issue. Just I write that. Okay, again write it here. Paste it. I want to add option. Add an option in which I can access to older posts on my home page. And how to do that? Just write this one. So as I told you that when you are doing it, just do it small. Don't ask for everything because the most of time it won't be done. You're just wasting your time. So just figure out what you want and then do it. So as you can see it here, what we need to do is like that. So go to theme edit, press control command and search for this code. If it just get, that's your page navigation. So it's saying that go for option 2. Okay, so it's saying that find this and then add this, then add CSS. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do, you know, it's saying that to find this thing. Okay, we just copy that, come here, and if you are Mac user, uh, just to use command and F and paste it here, click enter, and we don't find anything. Try again. Okay, nothing. So it is not here. So we're gonna use the second option. Second option is here. So it's saying that find this thing. Okay, now we're gonna just go command and F, just put that and done. So as you can see here, we are finding this. So it's inside the navigation bar, I believe. Let me see what it's saying. Okay, it's saying the search. Okay, it usually ends your postlets. Okay, it says usually ends your postlets, but here as you can see it's inside that navigation bar. So I'm gonna search for another one. Okay, okay, uh, this is inside UL, and it's a page list. Okay, let me search another one. It is inside article. Okay, so I believe it should be here, the third one. And you can see this include a post page navigation. Let me check here what was there. It was like a include next preview. So it's saying that add this right below, add it. I don't understand what is mean, but just add it. Okay, so just copy this, right below it, add it. So it's saying that I believe uh, like that here. I will just add this. Okay, now I'm gonna just copy that CSS. Okay, and I will just go to skin and put it in the lower, so I can check it later on. V, and now I will just save. As you can see, it's successful. Now I'm gonna reload it, and I think my problem we did not solve. Let's go to another page. Okay, and here we are getting this one. It was already there, but in that home page I am not seeing that. So let's see the codes here. So see, there's a two of them. They are coming here, but there's a nothing. So the more confusing about it. So okay, I can just say that it didn't work or some other reason behind it. Here it's provided that from where they get the information. If we open the link, we can understand a lot of things. So you can see it's really old website, and I'm not sure that who made this website, but it's really good website. That's what I can say to you. Okay, now here a lot of tutorials are there. So if you want to make a template, you should learn from here. Okay, but I will avoid from here right now. So it didn't work, and I will say that it did not work. But you should write a little bit more, like I'm saying that CS, HTML, but not the thing. So it will give you much better example, or it would have fixed you. Okay, so it's saying that clear that your history. Okay, but I'll just go and open another page. Let's go with here. So as you can see that the same issue, I'm not seeing it here. So I believe something problem with here. Let me check here. So page leads attribute level. As you know, here also option like adding widgets. So there's option to add widgets or not here, but let's go for layout. So first I need to check if the settings are all good or not. So here read more, posted by 8 comment, so levels. Okay, share buttons, I will just add it. Location, so author, so adds button post, arrange post. So as you can see that right now like this it's saying. So blog post is it's a good, there's no problem with that. And as we can reload it, we can see everything here. So there's no problem. If I click here, I just hope there's not too much things. So in the home page not working, I believe there's some other problem. So the next time I will figure out how to fix this issue, and then I'm gonna show you how to do that. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you tomorrow and next video. Bye for now.